येरादारी मंत्री मॉविन गुदिनून केंद्रीय अर्थमंत्री निर्मला सीतारमणाची भेट घेतली। राज्याविशींच्या साबार विशयांचेर तशेंच समस्यांचेर तांचे मदीं चर्चा जाल्ल्याचे मंत्री मॉविन सांगता। तशेंच गोंयाक नॉर्थ इस्टर्न राज्या भशेनूच आर्थीक मजत दिवप मतीन घेवपाची मागणी लेगीत मंत्र्यान ह्या वेळार केल्ल्याचे मॉविन सांगता।
See, the pre-budget discussion was to be held on 25th, but somehow I could not attend that meeting, and unfortunately, even though Honorable Chief Minister had told me to go for that meeting, finally both of us could not attend the 25th meeting. Then I felt that we have to have pre-budget consultation, and I told the Honorable Chief Minister that I will go and meet the Honorable Finance Minister. That's how immediately she called me, because we needed to put our views forward as far as the consultations are concerned. My very frank opinion and what I pressed for before the Finance Minister was this. So you should consider us of giving financial assistance on par with the northeastern states, where it is 90% loan and only 10% you have to repay, like in all the centrally sponsored schemes. Otherwise, what ratio they apply to us at present is 60-40. I said we are not in a position to pay that 40%. And I have been vociferously advocating the case of all smaller states in every GST Council meeting. Please help us. We are small in number. We are not the big states where there are fresh avenues of taxation. We don't have any avenues to tax the people. So we will suffer. Our infrastructure will suffer. With MOPA becoming a reality from the 5th of January of the new year, we will have tourists coming by the hordes, both from abroad, both domestic tourists, both from the north and south, from Dabolim as well as MOPA. So again a double strain on the infrastructure. So we need to build up and shore up our infrastructure. So therefore you have to consider us on par with the northeastern states and give us more finance. I think she gave me a very patient hearing. There are other issues also which I highlighted and I demanded